You're probably overcomplicating things when it comes to making money with AI. If you're like most people, you might think the only way to profit from AI is by writing books, creating YouTube videos, or even developing AI-based products like chatbots and digital assistants. But here's the truth. There's a much easier and more profitable way that hardly anyone is talking about. I'm going to show you the most underrated strategy to generate real income with AI, why it works so well, how you can set everything up in under an hour. Even if you have no experience, stick around, because by the end, you'll have a fully functional system ready to go. Why most AI money-making strategies are overcomplicated. If you've watched videos about making money with AI, you've probably seen all the usual suggestions. Writing books for Kindle, running an AI-powered social media business, offering AI automation services to small businesses. While these sound like great opportunities, they all come with a big problem. They require a lot of upfront work. Even though AI can help, you still need to spend time researching, generating prompts, refining results, turning everything into a polished, sellable product. But what if you could skip most of that effort and still make money? That's exactly what we're going to explore today. The simple AI business model that works like magic. Let's step back for a second. There are millions of people online searching for simple, easy to understand information. Sure, they could find this information themselves, but they don't want to. They'd rather have someone organize it in a convenient, well-presented format. That's where you come in. One of the most effective ways to make money with AI is by creating highly focused, easy-to-consume digital guides. Think reference guides or shortcut lists. These are in high demand, and people are willing to pay for them. A real example, if you go to Amazon and search for Windows 11, you'll see books like Windows 11 for Dummies or Windows 11 for Seniors. But there's something even more interesting. Quick reference guides. These are simple one-page documents that summarize essential shortcuts and tips for Windows 11 users. Some of them sell for $6.95 or more and have hundreds of reviews, which means thousands of people are buying them. And here's the best part. You don't need to sell on Amazon or go through the hassle of self-publishing. You can create and sell these guides yourself. How to create and sell a quick AI-generated guide in 3 simple steps. Step 1, create the guide. Use AI tools like ChatGPT or Copilot to generate a list of useful shortcuts for Windows 11 or any other software. Format the list into a clean, visually appealing PDF using Canva or Google Docs. Add a catchy title like Mastering Windows 11. Download the final version as a PDF file. Step 2. Set up a simple payment system. You don't need a website or a fancy funnel builder. Just use PayPal, Stripe, or Gumroad to create a simple payment link. Once someone purchases, they'll receive access to download the PDF from Google Drive or Dropbox. Step 3. Market your guide without paid ads. Share your sales page in Facebook groups, Reddit forums, and LinkedIn posts. Post helpful content on TikTok or Instagram related to your guide, then link to your product. Once you create one successful guide, you can easily expand to other niches. Microsoft Office Suite, cheat sheets for Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Mac shortcuts, reference guides for macOS users. Google Docs and Sheets. Productivity hacks for remote workers, AI tools, quick guides on using ChatGPT, Midjourney, or DALL-E. Instead of selling just one guide, you can bundle multiple guides together for higher priced offers. Final thoughts, don't overcomplicate it. The biggest mistake people make when trying to make money online is thinking they need something complex. You don't need a big budget. You don't need advanced skills. You don't need months of preparation. All you need is a simple, useful product that solves a problem, and a way to get it in front of the right people. So, take action today. Follow the steps in this guide, create your first digital product, and start selling. You'll be surprised at how easy it is to start making money with AI.